Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the continuation of some applications of trigonometry. In my previous video I have completed till question number 8. So now let us begin with the question number 9. Let me read out the question here. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. Okay, here there is tower as well as building. Okay, let me first draw the ground level so that I'll read out the question also as well as I'll draw the figure. This is the ground level. Okay, what they have told? First they have told the angle of elevation of top of the building from the foot of the tower. So let me draw the first tower. For example, this is the tower. Tower will be high compared to building. And this green one is a building. Let me draw the building. Okay. So what they have told, I have drawn this side as tower and this side as building. Now what they have told, the angle of elevation of top of the building, the angle of elevation of top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. The angle of elevation of top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Let me write 30 degree, they have told. And the angle of elevation of top of the tower from foot of the building is 60 degree. Okay. So this is, sorry, I have little mess up here. Okay. 60 degree. What they have told, if the tower is 50 meter high, this is tower 50 meter high. Find the height of the building. Now building height we have to find. Okay. Let me write any names A, B and we will write C, D. Okay. Let us start now. Let AB be the building and height of the building. Let AB be the height of building and CD be the tower. Okay. Now what they have told, they have given the height of the tower and they have told us to find the height of the building. So let us take first triangle ADC because something is given here, right? Let us focus. In triangle ADC, ADC, that means 60 degree. In this triangle 60 degrees angle, tan 60 degree is equals to, tan is opposite CD upon adjacent AC. Okay. Tan 60 we know root 3. CD is given 50 upon AC we don't know. Okay. AC is equals to 50. AC will come this side and root 3 will come this side. 50 upon root 3. Okay. So let us rationalize the denominator. We know when in the denominator root is there, we have to rationalize the denominator. Root 3 into root 3. So it is nothing but 50 into root 3, 50 root 3 upon root 3 square. Square and root get cancelled. So answer is 50 root 3 by 3. That is AC. Okay. Now let us focus on one more triangle. Actually we need to find the height of the building. That is green color line we need to find. So let us take now this triangle. In triangle ABC, tan ABC which angle? 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equals to 30 opposite side is AB. AB upon AC. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 is equals to AB we don't know, AC we know, we have got here now 50 root 3 by 3. Let us cross multiply now. Root 3 into AB, root 3 AB, root 3 into AB, root 3 AB. 50 root 3 upon 3 into 1 is 50 root 3 upon 3. Now we can see here this 3 will come and multiply here. 3 into root 3. 3 divide will become multiply. 3 root 3 AB is equals to 50 root 3. AB is equals to 50 root 3 upon 3 root 3. Now we can see here root 3 get cancelled. AB is equals to 50 by 3. See, it is in fraction form. Let us see 50 root 3 meter only height of the building. But according to answer, they have done divide this 53. 3 table we know that it will go like 3 ones are 3. 2 left 0. 3 6 are 18. 2. So it is in a fraction form they have given. 16 will come side, 2 will go up and 3 will be in denominator. This is the height they have given, 16 2 by 3 meter. Therefore, the height of building is 16 2 by 3 meter. This is the answer. Okay, let us see the next question now. Question number 10. Two poles of equal height are standing opposite each other on either side of the road. Okay, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. Okay, so let us draw first two poles. This is the base. Okay, and let us draw the two equal poles. Two equal poles. What they have told, a point between them in the road. A point between them in the road. The angle of elevation is 30 degree and 60 degree they have told. The angle of elevation is 30 degree and 60 degree. 30 degree, 60 degree they have told. And the whole road is 80 meter wide they have told. Okay, let's start writing. I'll write any names A, B, C, D, and I'll mention this as E. Okay. Let question number 10, this is let AB and CD be two equal poles. Okay, now let us start solving, and E be the any point between the poles, and E be the any point between the poles. Okay, but one thing we know that this full length is 80, but triangle forms is half. Okay, let BE be, I'll take let BE equals to x. If I take BE as x, then what will be DE? Therefore, DE will be full minus x, 80 minus x. From 80 if we remove x, that is DE. Okay, So let us start solving now. We don't know height of the poles, right? They have told us to find the height of the poles plus distance between the poles. In triangle ABE, this side right angle triangle I have taken, tan 60 degree is equals to AB by BE. Tan 60 is nothing but root 3. Root 3 is equals to AB we don't know, I am keeping as it is. BE we know x. So AB is equals to AB value is nothing but root 3x. Okay, this we got AB. Now let us take one more triangle. In triangle CDE, two right angle triangle we can see, right? CDE, tan 30 degree is equals to CD by DE. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. CD we don't know, upon DE 80 minus x. Now root 3 CD is equals to root 3 CD. This if we multiply is equals to 80 minus x. But we know one thing, AB equals to CD. AB equals to CD because they are equal poles. So AB and CD are equal. They are equal poles. So what I will do is CD is equals to 80 minus x upon root 3. So what we know, AB equals to CD, they are equals. Things which are equal to same things are equal to one another, we know that. AB value I will write, why they are equal? They are equal poles. AB value I am writing root 3x and CD value I will write CD. CD value is nothing but 80 minus x upon root 3. Okay. So now let us solve this. Root 3 into root 3. This will here multiply. It is nothing but root 3 square x is equals to 80 minus x. Square and root get cancelled. 3x. If I bring this x this side, it becomes plus x is equals to 80. That is 4x is equals to 80. X is equals to 80 by 4. And x is equals to 20. 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8. 20. 4 ones are 4, 20s are 80. So this we got x value and x is nothing but BE. Therefore, x is equals to BE, that is 20 meter. BE distance we got 20 meter. Now we need DE. DE we know it is 80 minus x. That is 80 minus x is 20 and nothing but DE value also we got 60 meter. So DE we got 60 meter. Distance between, now let us see height of the poles, that is AB. AB is the height of the pole. AB is root 3x. And x value is 20. 20 root 3. 20 root 3. AB equal to CD. Two poles are equal. Therefore, last sentence I will write because we got all answer. Therefore, the height of the poles are the height of two poles is 20 root 3 meter and the distance of the point from first pole is the distance from point from first pole is x. First pole distance is x, that is 20 meter, and second pole is 60 meter. So this is the answer. Okay. This completes the question number 10th. Now 11th one question, which is already they have given everything here. So you have to try yourself without my help. Any hints also I will not give. It is completely given. It's very easy because even figure is given in 11th one it is. Okay, 10th one we have just now done. So 11th one exactly everything is clearly mentioned. I'll not read the question also. Everything is there. Very easy question it is because the figure also drawn here. So you try yourself. Let me go for 12th one problem now. So 12th one question, let me read out. From the top of 7 meter high building, the angle of elevation of top of cable tower is 60 degree. Okay. And the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. See here, angle of elevation also is there as well as angle of depression is there. When I will draw the figure, I will read out one more time question so that you can find easy. Let me start. Okay. There is one cable tower as well as building. Let me draw first two things. See, anyhow the cable tower will be high compared to building. This is the ground level. And let me draw the building this side. 7 meter high building they have told. And the cable tower is bit high. Okay. Now let us start the question what they have told. From the top of 7 meter high building, the angle of elevation of top of cable tower. From the top of 7 meter high building, the angle of elevation of top of cable tower is 60 degree. Okay. Elevation. So let me draw here one line because they have told angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay. And the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. That means from the same point the angle of depression of its foot of the tower is 45 degree. So this is the angle of depression, that is 45 degree. Depression this side it will become 45 degree, but we know that alternate angles are equal. So this 45 means this is 45. And they have told 7 meter high building. Let us give alphabets now. AB be the building and CD be the cable tower. They have told find the height of the cable tower. AB be the building, CD be the tower. Let me give E as this point. Okay. Now let us write. Let AB be the building and CD be the cable tower. We need to find CD now. Cable tower we need to find. Okay. We know that in triangle, if this is 7 meter, this side also will be 7 meter only. Opposite sides of the rectangle is equal. We can see ABDE is a rectangle here, right? So we can say this as rectangle. Now let us start. Right angle triangle we will take ABD. In triangle ABD, in application of trigonometry or the whole trigonometry, only right angle triangle will be used. So in triangle ABD, tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is equals to 45 here. Opposite AB, adjacent BD. opposite upon adjacent. Tan 45 1, AB value is 7 and BD as it is. We don't know. BD into 1, BD is equals to 7. We got BD also as 7. So let us highlight this. Now if BD 7 we got, that means opposite AE also will be 7. If BD is equals to 7, then AE is also equal to 7 because opposite sides of the rectangle. Now let us take this right angle triangle AEC. In triangle AEC, tan 60 is equals to 60 degrees here, opposite side CE. CE upon adjacent AE. Okay. Tan 60 is nothing but root 3. CE value we don't know, but we know AE just now 7. Okay, CE is equals to 7 root 3. We need actually CD. We need CD, but CD is CE plus DE. Right? CD is nothing but CE plus DE. Therefore, CD is equals to CE plus DE. CE value is 7 root 3. Just now we found here. And DE we know 7 plus 7. Now in both the plus and minus, they are not like term, they are unlike term. So 7 is common. 7 common, root 3 plus 1. This is only the answer. Therefore, the height of cable tower is 7 root 3 plus 1 meter. This is the answer. So 12th one answer we got 7 root 3 plus 1. Let us take now, let us see the question number 13. Okay. As observed from the top of 75-meter high lighthouse, from the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. See, this question is okay. 13th question. Let me read. First, let me write this is the sea level. Okay, I have drawn this as sea level. What they have told, let me read one more time. As observed from the top of 75-meter high lighthouse. First, let us draw one lighthouse, that is 75-meter high lighthouse. This we will consider as lighthouse, 75-meter high lighthouse. Okay. As observed from the top of 75-meter lighthouse, from the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. Okay. Two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. First one are 30 degree and one is 45 degree. Two ships. These are the positions of ships. First one ship 30 degree. Angle of depression. So angle of depression it is, this is 30 degree. So alternate angle is equal, this is 30 degree. And one more they have told it is 45 degree. So this is 45 degree. Okay. From the top of 75-meter high lighthouse, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. So if one ship is exactly behind the other, one ship is exactly behind the other of the same side of the lighthouse, same side of the lighthouse they have mentioned. If they would have mentioned the other side, then it will be here and here. So they have mentioned the same side of the lighthouse. Find the distance between the ship. So this distance we need to find. Find the distance between the ships. This distance we need to find. We'll give any name A, B, C, D. So let AB be the 75-meter high lighthouse. 75-meter high lighthouse. And C and D be the positions of ship. C and D be the position of ships. Now we need to find CD, distance between two ships. Let us take first this triangle. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, tan 45 degree is equals to opposite AB by adjacent BC. Tan 45 is nothing but 1. AB value is 75 upon BC. BC into 1 is BC is equals to 75. So we got BC value also as 75. Now let us focus on one more triangle ABD full. See, ACD is not right angle triangle. We can see it is not right angle triangle ACD. So ABD. In triangle ABD, tan 30 degree is equals to tan 30. This is AB, full AB upon full adjacent side, because full big triangle it is AB by BD. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. AB value is 75 upon BD is nothing but BC plus CD. BD is nothing but BC plus CD. BC plus CD. Okay, let us cross multiply now. BC plus CD into 1 is BC plus CD is equal to root 375. 75 root 3 as it is. Now we have BC value here 75. So I will write BC place 75 plus CD is equals to 75 root 3. Now we can see we need CD. CD is equals to 75 root 3 here only. We'll bring this 75 this side minus 75. CD is equals to, they are unlike terms, so 75 is common. 75 common, root 3 minus 1. Therefore, last sentence, the distance between the ships are, the distance between the ships is 75 root 3 minus 1 meter. This only the answer for the 13th one. So now let us see the 14th one question, which is very easy and the figure is also given, and same like this problem we have done of 1.5 meter tall boy. Same question. Sixth one of same exercise is exactly same like this. In sixth one problem what we have done, 1.6 meter tall boy and 30 meter building. Then as he walked towards the building, the elevation increased, they have told. Now here also same thing, balloon position here to here it goes. Okay, exactly same like sixth one problem. This is here 1.2 meter tall boy and balloons are there. There 1.5 meter tall boy and building. Here so exactly same like sixth one problem. Same method you have to use for sixth one problem. 14th and 6th one problem is exactly same, and the figure also is given. So you try yourself this 14th one, which is very easy. Now the question number 15. Let us read the question number 15. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degrees, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. So here speed is uniform. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. See, here we have to understand the question well. A straight highway leads to a foot of the tower. A man standing on the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression 30 degrees, which is approaching towards the tower. After 6 seconds, like 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees because the car is moving. So, the angle of depression changes here. Let us draw the figure. I draw the figure here. Here, AB with a or any line which is a ground level. For example, this is the ground level. Now, let me write one tower here. A man standing on the tower observe a car which is approaching towards the foot of the tower. Okay. So here this is the tower. From the top of the tower, a man observe a car over here which is approaching towards the foot of the tower. So the angle of depression found to be 30 degrees. So the angle of depression, how we will get? First horizontal perpendicular, let me draw. This is the, so 30 degrees they told. Observe a car at an angle of 30 degrees. Okay. Now in the question they have told after 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees because the position of the car changes. Then the angle of depression from the same point changes to 60 degrees. After 6 seconds, the angle of depression changes to 60 degrees, full angle, that is 60 degrees. So, what they have after 6 seconds, they have given this after 6 seconds. For example, I will write A, B and now we will give some point here C, D. First the car was in this position, initial position of the car. After 6 seconds, time is 6 seconds. This is not distance, it is a time. After 6 seconds, the car reach here and the angle of depression changes to 60 degrees. Now what they are asking? Find the time taken by car to reach the foot of the tower. Now from D to B, how much time it will take to reach the tower? Let us see. Okay. Let me write the description. Let AB be the tower. C be the initial position of the car. C be the initial position of the car. Initial position which changes to D after 6 seconds. Which changes to D after 6 seconds. Okay. Let us start finding now. First we should focus on right angle triangle. How many right angle triangle we have here? A, B, D, A, B, C. Let us take first A, B, D. In triangle A, B, D, tan 60 degree is equals to opposite, 60 opposite, AB by BD. Tan 60 is nothing but root 3 is equals to AB by BD. Now BD only we need, no? So BD is equals to AB by root 3 will come this side. Root 3. This is the BD value we got. Because AB also we don't know. So, I didn't substitute anything here. Now, in triangle ABC. Okay. In triangle ABC, tan 30 degree is equals to AB by full BC. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. AB, let us keep as it is. BC is nothing but, in figure we can see BC is nothing but BD plus CD. BD plus CD. Let us cross multiply. BD plus CD into 1 is BD plus CD is equals to root 3 into AB. Root 3 AB. Okay. Now, BD value we know it is AB by root 3. In place of BD, I'll write AB by root 3 plus CD is equals to root 3 AB. Now, we can see here both AB same like terms. We will take one side. CD is equals to root 3 AB that side only. This I will take here minus AB by root 3. We can see here AB is common in both the term. AB I'll take common. Root 3 minus 1 upon root 3. AB outside. Only remaining terms I have written. CD is equals to AB as it is. Root 3 into root 3 is root 3 square minus 1 upon root 3. Cross multiply I have done. Square and root get cancelled. So, CD is equals to 3 minus 1, 2AB by root 3. Okay, this we got CD value. But they didn't ask us distance. They have asked us time. Okay, let us write now properly what time they have told. Okay. Time taken by car to travel. In a question it is given. Time taken by car to travel CD. Time taken to travel CD 6 seconds it has taken. But CD value that is I'll write CD is 2AB by root 3 is time taken to travel CD is 6 seconds. Okay. Now what we need? Time taken to travel BD. Therefore, time taken by car to travel BD. Now we want BD. To travel BD. They have asked us to find BD only. BD value is AB by root 3. I'll write in place of BD AB by root 3 is we have to find. We don't know. So, time we need to find. So, I'll write T. Is T. How much second we have to find? T. Now, let us cross multiply this. Cross multiply. Okay. 2AB root 3 into 6 is equal to 2AB by root 3 into T. Right. So, root 3 get cancelled. AB get cancelled. We get 6 is equals to 2T. Time T is equals to 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. So, 3 seconds. How much time it takes? It takes time taken by car to travel BD is 3 seconds. Okay. So, this completes the question number 15. Now, let us see the last question, that is question number 16. Question number 16, let me read. the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line which are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. We have to prove this. So this question is very important. Here the angle of elevation of top of the tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter they have given. Okay, let me draw the figure here. Let us draw one tower. Just one base angle. And let me draw one tower. Okay, this is the tower. And here this is the baseline. The angle of elevation of top of the tower from one they have told 4 meter and another is 9 meter. Okay, 4 meter and 9 meter away from the base of the tower. Okay, there are two angle of elevation. One is 4 meter and the other is 9 meter. So let me write the distance. This is 4 meter away and this full is 9 meter away. Okay. Angle of elevation. One is, this is 4 meter. Here to here angle of elevation is 4 meter and from here to here 9 meter. Elevation it is so. And they have told the angles are complementary. So let me write the description. I'll give any name here. AB be the tower and CD be the 2 points. Okay. Let AB be the tower. C and D are the points. C and D are the 2 points that is 4 meter and 9 meter. C 9 meter away from the tower and D 4 meter away from the tower, away from the base of the tower. Base of the tower. Here the angles are complementary. Angles given are complementary. They have told in the question. So when the angles are complementary, we know that is, if one angle is theta, other will be 90 minus theta. For example, if I am taking this as theta, this will be 90 minus theta. Okay. So here they have told complementary, so we have to write this. Now let us start to triangle. They have told to prove the height of the tower is 6 meter. In triangle ABD, tan 90 minus theta is equal to tan opposite AB by BD. Tan 90 is, according to complementary formula, tan 90 is cot theta. AB we don't know, but BD is 4. Let us consider these as equation 1. Now in triangle ABC, tan theta is equals to, because this angle is theta, ABC we have considered, AB by BC. Okay. So tan theta as it is not complementary angle. AB BC value is 9. Equation 2 will consider now. Multiplying equation 1 and 2, we will multiply this. That is cot theta into tan theta is equals to AB by 4 into AB by 9. What we did? Multiply equation 1 and 2. Cot theta, we know that it is 1 upon tan. So, I will write cot theta is nothing but 1 upon tan theta into tan theta as it is. AB into AB, AB square upon 9 into 4. 9 4s are 36. Tan theta get cancelled. 1 left. That is 1 is equals to AB square upon 36. 36 ones are 36. AB square is equals to 36. Square will become root. AB is equals to square will become root 36. AB is equals to root 36 is 6. Therefore, the height of the tower we proved. We get height of the tower is 6 meter. We proved the answer. So this completes the lesson, some applications of trigonometry. So in my next video, I am going to start a new topics. Do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.